This meditation aimed at finding harmony with nature. Take a comfortable sitting position and close your eyes. Breathe in and let lightness into your body. Breathe out and clear off internal negative emotions and clamps. Inhale as if you're letting in a ray of sunshine with every breath. Exhale as if your exhalation reaches the center of the earth, right into the very core. Your body is relaxed and your attention is on the breath. Imagine that with your breath you are communicating with nature. What would you say? What would be the message? Exhale as if you are sending a message to the earth. Direct your energy of inner calmness into space around you. You nourish your physical reality with well-being and health, and the energy of the earth nourishes you. Notice the rhythm of your breathing, the sound of your breathing, or the soundless in the pauses in between. Breathe in and hold your breath for a few seconds. Feel the lightness in your body, like you're floating above the ground. And breathe out and hold on. Don't inhale. Find the silence in the back of your mind. The universe is hidden in this silence, with stars and planets. Let your imagination run wild and watch while breathing. You pass through yourself a stream of cosmic energy that passes through your body and flows through the roots into the earth. confess your love and gratitude to the earth for its support and for its love. Thank the earth for its generosity and unconditional love for all its creations in general, and for you personally. Breathe in and slowly open your eyes. And don't forget to thank yourself for this meditation.